Hi guys, in today's video I want to answer on the most asked question, where to find free car clips. Almost every day you ask me on Instagram and also commenting on YouTube, and today I thought to answer to all of you with this quick video. You often ask me to share Camry videos as well, and unfortunately Camry clips are not free or paid to use. I will show you one amazing guy who has free car packs that you can feel free and use for your edits or practice in AE. When I started YouTube channel, he was the only guy who gave me clips for my tutorials and it helped me a lot, so thanks to Maty Media a lot for his amazing clips. On his Instagram profile you can find Clip Pack Story Highlight, click on it and here you will find all his free car packs. Let's choose one, and on his PayHip shop, click on download now and get them for free. You can also click on shop here and find all his clips. Don't forget to follow Maty Media and show your support, he deserves really more. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.